So we're gonna cross this big street right now. Big street. Right now is the time when the cars are start showing up. So the dogs and I have to be very careful, making sure that, look, there's another car right here. There's a whole bunch of cars over there. Nothing here, a few here. We can start walking. And then we have one coming, but we almost made it to the other side. This is a big street. Later today, this wouldn't be possible. We'll have to walk to the light over there and wait and cross at the crosswalk.